Yeah, more Yeezy restocks on the way. But these one here, I'm not too mad about, man. The 700 Yeezy Safflowers. I'm not too mad about these sneakers restocking, man. But these here keep restocking is a problem for me. Could you imagine if the Jordan 1 breads kept restocking? Well, they kind of do keep restocking. Just not as fast as these. So my question is, do anything Kanye make stay sold out? No. Especially with Adidas. They keep clicking, man. We get Yeezy Day, Yeezy Month. Yeezys restock constantly. I'm kind of mad about the Wave Runners, but 700s, especially in a crazy colorway like this, the Safflowers, they do need to restock. Hit a B-roll. On top of the Zebra 350s restocking last week and rumors that we're finally going to get the Moon Rocks back, I'm happy about that one. Also lost in the mist was the Yeezy 700 Safflowers. Now when these first dropped, I wasn't a fan. I had the black ones that glow green. That video is deep in the archives. If you've been rocking with me since then, man, I appreciate you. I'm going to find it and put it up here. But I had that as an early review, and I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. But the lighter the color of a sneaker that's like look too rough kind of makes it a little better. So I was happy that the Safflowers released, because when they dropped, I didn't even try to get them. So today we're going to do a review of the restock Safflowers. If you own the OG pair, the original pair that came out, let me know if it's any differences in quality. I love the feedback from you guys. And hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So I owned a lot of Yeezy boxes, and this looks to check out the same way. I got this from my friends over there at In Clothing. I know I mention them a lot. They don't sponsor nothing with me. It's just that whenever I can't get nothing in the States, I pay a little extra taxes and duties, and I get it from In Clothing. So as you can see on the box, it says UK 10. A UK 10 is equivalent to a US 10.5, which is me. Now, enough of the box, let's get into the sneaker. Now, what made the mono Safflower, however you want to pronounce it, like very, very unique, was the glow. That's what made all the V3 700s really like something people wanted to check out. Let's make it glow. So as y'all can see in the video, I had to put it inside a dark room, shine the black light on it so y'all can see the accents of the sneaker. That's what made the sneaker like really, really unique, as this whole bridge, side and mid-side, inside, glows. That's what made the sneaker so unique. Even the black ones, those glue up green, but Safflower, mono, the yellow lighting, this made more sense to me. Also on the Yeezy 700, it's the first time we've seen a high sole on the Yeezy. Like, everything was boost, 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 boost when Yeezy first came to Adidas. But this thick sole really was the difference. The inside has like the yellow dandelion. That's how you say the flower word? Dandelions. But it looks just like a flower. So the name was like perfect for it. Your sock liner is all black. Thank God. No one loves a dirty sock liner. The black sock liner is beautiful. The inside of the sneaker, you can actually see the outside of the sneaker. So you see my finger there. So it's translucent for a little bit, for the most part. I put my finger in here. You can kind of see it right there. Also, a unique thing for the Yeezy 700 monoflower was the no shoelace tie. So this here just grips it, comes it to your feet. I guess Adidas was kind of wary of that, so they incorporated extra shoelaces for people who are like, I don't know if I want sneakers like that. So these do have tips, nice rubber, thick end tips. This is not even rubber. This is like hard plastic. In case you're not sold on the fitting of the sneaker, just like the Yeezy Perfect Gap hoodie, no strings at all, it's gonna fit. Adidas logo right there on the back, real subtle, same color as the sneaker, but it does pop out 3D so you know that that's a Adidas logo. No Yeezy logos whatsoever, but that's custom on a Yeezy, and I already showed y'all the boost technology. Let me know what y'all was able to cop from the Yeezy Restock couple of weeks. This is the only thing I really wanted. I have 2 pairs of Wave Runners, one I'm rocking, one I'm stocking. So I really wasn't going for those. In the $300 price range for those, and StockX is selling them for like $350. I feel like those are becoming like an expensive Nike Uptown. Like, you can go get that whenever you want because they keep restocking. I think this is like the 4th one. But what's shockingly to me, I can't believe that we're getting the Turtle Doves back. And with that being said, I want to know, do y'all think we'll ever see the Pirate Bays again? This was Yeezy at its finest for me. This all black with the gray specters. This was the Yeezy for me, man. And this is the original one, of course. We haven't got a restock for these yet. So let me know if y'all think we're going to get these. Also, let me know if y'all think Nike's really going to come out with the Red Octobers and all the Nike Yeezy sneakers, man. I really want to know if that may happen. But as far as Adidas, Yeezys would never sell out. They would sell out that release, but they'll be back in 2-3 months. I think Adidas just hold them so they can look sold out, and then they come out with the rest that they left at the warehouse. Let me know, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these. I like them because they're different from the other 700 V3s. I just don't know if this is a sneaker I can just like rock on the daily. I know it's comfortable, but I'm talking about look-wise. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.